Hello everyone, my name is Sheena and today we are going to be making tomato jam, and we only need tomatoes, little lemon and sugar, and I promise you it is very delicious. Just try it. Okay, stay with me, let's make it. Let's see how to make it. Okay, now we are going to cross cut the tomatoes. And then we are going to put them in hot water, like we are going to boil them for some few minutes so we can peel off that outer part very well. Just few minutes. Make sure you you boil them for a few minutes and then remove them. Put in cold water to make sure that those outer parts are removed very well. And after that, we are going to chop them into small pieces and then blend them because we need them blended. If you're old subscriber, thank you so much. You're amazing. And if you're my new subscriber, like you found the channel for the first time, thank you for coming by. We always make the delicious, like we bake, we cook, we make the ice cream, the cakes, everything. So just stay tuned. Now we are going to blend our tomatoes. And after that we are going to boil them again. And put in some sugar, like according like how you want it to be sweet. And then we are going to add in some lemon to make it stay longer and have a nice taste. Boil them until they are slightly smooth. And after that, put in a container and let it cool for some time, and then pour it in the container that you want it to be kept in. You can put it in a freezer, you can put it in fridge, or you can let it be there, like you leave it there. If you're going to use it for some little days, like 2 days or 3, you can skip telling you, and it is homemade just with 3 ingredients. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye bye.